Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? SQ plus hair, square. D plus ants, dance. Square dance. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you. Returning champion on my right. His name is Mike Fortunato, and on our last program, he won himself a holiday in Malaysia. Welcome back, Mike.
Thank you, Alex.
Who's going to go on the trip with you?
My wife.
That's a good person to take. How long have you guys been married?
We've been married 2 years as of last Monday.
Oh, congratulations.
So, thank you.
Any little ones yet?
No, nothing. She's a preschool teacher, so she gets plenty of that at work.
Yeah. Are you planning to have a family later on?
I tell her no, but she wants. I'm sure we'll end up having him.
Okay.
You know how that works.
Yeah, her decision, right? Okay, let's meet your opponent in this first game today, Jody Vigiani.
That's it.
Hiya, Jody.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Thank you. Vigiani, it's Italian.
Yes.
Vigiani.
Yes. Parla Italiano?
Poco.
I don't.
You don't? Not at all? Where are the Vigianis from in Italy?
Well, my husband's father is from, thank you, I blanked out.
That's all right.
Well, Argentina, actually.
The Argentinian portion
From wherever
of
it was in Italy to Argentina.
I see. You went over that way?
Yes.
All right, there are a lot of Italians
My
in South
husband's
America.
going to kill me.
But you forgot where?
Yes.
That's okay. Hey, you're not expected to remember everything on the spur of the moment.
Thank you.
It's a difficult situation.
Better to remember numbers.
Good thinking. Better to remember numbers, because if you remember the right ones, you could win this.
The Limoges with the everlasting elegance of porcelain accents welded with the beauty of brass. A queen-size bed treated with a baked-on epoxy protective coating. Furnished by Swan Brass Beds. Alex.
Thank you, Margie. Let's show Jody and Mike where they can find the brass bed. At number 19, Jody told me while Jean was describing that prize, I took this away from her, and she said, I've got to hold on to my children. Aren't they cute? Look at that. Those kids look like they're of Italian descent or not. You bet they are.
Thank you.
All right. We have a holiday in Hawaii in this game.
I honeymoon there.
You did?
Yes.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, lovely.
All right, you could make it a second honeymoon for you and your husband. Jody, go ahead and make the selection.
Okay, I would like to see number 10, please.
Computer.
That would be wonderful. I would like to match that with number 16.
No, we have a green take. Mike.
Okay, let's look for some wild cards. Under number 13.
Rowing machine.
I could use that. And right next door, number 12.
Isn't her tennis wear? Nothing. Jody.
Number 6, please.
Rowing machine.
And the match for the rowing machine, please, under number 13.
13, that's a good one. Nice prize. Help keep them in shape. Let's open it up for Jody. Pick again.
Number 7, please.
Brass bed.
And the brass bed was under number 19.
19, that's it. You remembered. Good. Another 2 panels swinging open for our challenger. Select again.
Number 22.
Wild card. Now remember, there's some vacation in Waikiki up there.
Yes, but I think I'm going to go with number 10 because I know what that is.
And that's a computer, which is a very good prize. The other computer, right next to the wild card in that lower left-hand corner. 3 more panels opening up for you, Jody. You haven't made a mistake so far. You've come up with match after match after match.
Yes, hopefully we'll continue. Can I see what's behind number 2, please?
Green take.
Oh, we saw that. Did we see it under number 16?
Green take. Again. 4 in a row for Jody. Well done. Keep that there for insurance purposes later on. A little bit of security, and we'll open these 2 panels. Continue.
Okay, number 11.
Red take.
Oh, the red take. I'd have a matching pair if I can find it under number 20.
No. Diamond necklace. All right. Mike.
Finally, an opening. Number 12, please.
Can you take advantage of that opening? His and her tennis
you know
wear.
what? I picked that before, but I could use anyways. Number 4 for the match or a wild card.
Yes. Tennis wear coming up on Mike Fortunato's side as soon as we reveal the natural match, which would have occurred at number 15. So 3 panels swinging open for his benefit. Jody has done all the groundwork here on this puzzle. Select again.
Upper left-hand corner, number 1.
Waikiki Beach.
Oh, yes. Let's try to find the match. The other corner, number 25.
Dishwasher, no match for you. Jody?
Number 18, please.
Red take.
The red take. Did we see that under number 11?
Red take. He's got the his and her tennis outfits. You've got all of the tapes you're
I'll
going to
wait
need.
for right now.
Wait for something better?
Well, let's just say.
All right. Let's open it up for her. Select again.
I need to see what's under number 9.
Aquarium.
Aquarium. I would like an aquarium if it's under number 24.
And if it's not, maybe we have a wild card for you. You don't have to worry. The other aquarium is at number 17. Now, you have both these takes, and we're getting down to the latter stages of solving this puzzle.
Of course, I will take it. I'm
Take it?
sorry, Mike.
All right.
That's okay,
Sorry.
Judy.
You'd look cute in that,
He didn't sound all that excited when he found the his and her tennis outfits. Let's open 3 more panels for Jody Vigiani. Select again, Jody.
Okay, number 14, please.
Ice cream maker.
Ice cream maker. Uh-oh.
Our first look at that.
Yes. Can we match it under number 3?
Diamond
No.
necklace. We can't.
Uh-oh.
Mike.
Oh, boy. Let's try number 23.
Ice cream
And the
maker.
match under number 14.
There you go. Yeah! A small prize. But a very valuable one because of when it occurs in this game.
I hope so.
Let's see if you can solve this puzzle. Pick again.
Let's try number 5 in the upper right-hand corner.
Waikiki.
Oh, now I just have to remember where I saw that. Oh, was that number 1?
Yep. You remembered. It's a good thing you did. Because Jody did. Another 2 panels opening up for you. All right, you get to pick again.
50-50 chance here, huh? Number 20, please.
Diamond necklace.
And we just saw that, and I'm going to try number 3.
Diamond necklace. Well, that prize, too, goes up on your side. We'll open those 2 panels. We'll show you 8 and 25. That's the dishwasher. And when we open these doors, you have to solve this puzzle, Mike. Jody, solve the puzzle.
No making love to sailors.
Whoa! No making love to sailors. I've never seen that sign. No. Hands on your signaling buttons. Remember, you can ring in when the little green light goes on. This is something that's very difficult for any employee to do. We've got no plus a man, and then the arrows are pointing at the can. No man can. And what is the tennis player doing? Yes, Mike.
No man can serve 2 masters.
Is it no man can serve 2 masters? Yes, it is. Mike has won the game, ladies and gentlemen. Which means he goes to the board and gets to explain the puzzle, but quite frankly, I like Jody's solution. No making love to sailors, not on classic concentration. Not this week or any week. Let's go, Mike.
I had a terrible time with this. Here's the no sign, and I didn't know what this was. I was waiting for arrows. It's a man, and then the can, no man can, and the serve, 2, and then the mast. It wasn't the sail, mast and the oars. No man can serve 2 masters.
I knew an Italian would win this game. Jody, you gave us a lot of fun in that game. You've got 1 X against you, but you'll play in game number 2 in a little bit. We'll see you then. All right, Mike. Let's hear about your prize.
Please.
Gene,
an ice cream maker, and a dishwasher. Gibson's portable dishwasher featuring 3 levels of washing action, radiant heat drying, and a self-cleaning soil separator furnished by Gibson, and a diamond necklace. Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, this lovely 14-karat gold 5-diamond necklace may add a sparkling touch to any outfit, furnished by Kay Jewelers. And Waikiki Beach. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights on beautiful Waikiki Beach at the oceanfront Outrigger Reef Hotel, providing luxury in the heart of Waikiki. And Mike, you have won $4,442 in prizes.
However, Jody has won the hearts of America with No Making Love to Sailors. Mike will play for a car after this.
It's fun.
Kind of funked around. He got a little confused there in the middle stages, but he's going to make up for that right now. I hope so. 15 numbered squares and 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck, Mike. Off you go.
1, 2.
Nope.
4, 5.
No again.
7, 8.
No.
10, 2.
That's good.
11, 13.
No.
5, 13.
Yes.
14, 15.
No.
4, 15.
Right.
11, 12.
No.
7, 12.
Yes.
8, 9.
No.
11, 6.
No.
3, 6.
No.
3, 11.
Yeah.
8, 14.
No.
9.
Sorry, you did a lot better. A lot better.
Close.
You kept your cool.
Close.
And you certainly did that in the game because you wound up winning $7,536 in prizes, including 2 great vacations.
Yes.
And you're going to play again against Jody Vigianni after this. Jody is raring to go in game number 2.
Yes,
She wants to
I
win
am.
this one. To win this prize.
A bold fashion statement, part of Jay Lavin's designer collection, striking earrings crafted in 14-karat gold. Hand-carved black onyx and sparkling diamonds, a work of art, furnished by Jay Lavin. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Jody and Mike, here's where you're going to find the beautiful earrings at number 1. That makes it very easy to remember. We have in this game, of course, those 5 bonus seconds for the car round. We have our cash pot, and now it's up to $600. And we have a holiday in Lake Tahoe. Oh, a little getaway, a little gambling up there in the clean, fresh air
that'd be
of
great.
Lake Tahoe. And Jody, you pick first, please.
Okay, thank you. I would like to start with number 19.
19 has a personal whirlpool.
Oh, I would love that. And the match under number 7.
5 bonus car seconds. No match. Mike.
Let's go in the middle. Number 13
Encyclopedia.
and number 9 for a wild card.
Car phone. No match. Jody.
Okay, how about number 6?
There's a wild card.
Wonderful.
All right, Jody.
Okay, what am I going to take? How about number 19?
19 for the personal whirlpool. All righty. The other one is up at number 10. Swing them open, please. Keep things moving here for Jody. She'd like to win and win quickly. Go again.
Okay, number 11, please.
Diamond earrings.
Oh, can I match the diamond earrings under number 1?
Sure you can.
Thank
I knew
you.
you'd be able to do that. Open it. Select again.
Number 18, please.
Green take.
Green take. I would like to match that, please, under number 4.
No color TV there. Good prize. Mike?
Let's try number 14.
Red take.
We need a wild card with a match at number 22.
Color TV.
Oh.
Thank you, Mike.
Ooh, thank you, Mike, I think. Was the color TV under number 4?
Yes.
And the match, please, under 22?
Thank you, Mike.
Thank you, Mike.
Well, you may get to enjoy a color TV if she solves the puzzle. These 2 pieces will help bring it a little bit closer. Select again.
Number 12, please.
Patio dining
Patio dining furniture. Nice. The match under number 25.
Car phone, no match. Mike?
I think we saw the car phone under number 9.
Did we? Yes.
And number 25 for the match.
Well done. I didn't remember the number 9, but in that area.
Yeah.
Open it up. Select again.
Number 23.
Wild card for Mike.
And number 7.
Number 7 for the 5 bonus car seconds. The other bonus is right next to it. 3 more panels opening up for Mike.
Rock of Ages.
Is it Rock of Ages? Where did that come from?
I saw some of the H's.
And that was
Is this
it?
well with it?
Hey, well done indeed. Let's go to the board. Breaking Jody's heart, of course.
I was going with horse here, but it's rock when I saw the hand, and then I didn't see the cuff, but I figured it was of and then the H's. Rock of Ages.
Well done. Boy, oh boy, that was great. Quick solution on your part. And Jody, you know what that means?
Yes, I do.
Another X for you, but
Yes.
you've got those 2 lovely children, Shane
I do.
and
I get to take
Joshua,
them home.
and they are, I'm sure, the joy of your life. It was
They are.
fun having you with us. You
Thank
take
you
care,
so
won't you?
much.
So long, Jody. All right, Mike. Good win. Thank you. Here are the prizes. Gene, tell them.
A car phone. A small, lightweight mobile cellular phone with such features as automatic retry, 100 number memory, and full 832 channel capacity. And the 5 bonus car seconds.
So you're close to $9,000 in overall prize winnings, and you're going to have extra time on the clock when we come back after this. We used to have time to pan the cars. Now we're out of time. I'll tell you what, Mike, since you've earned those 5 bonus seconds in this round, I have a feeling you're going to win a car, so I want to get those names really set in your mind. On the bottom shelf, the Daihatsu Charade. Then comes the Nissan Sentra, the GLSI Convertible, the Jeep Wrangler, the Ford Festiva, the Mitsubishi Mirage, the Honda CRX, and finally the Hyundai Excel. Win a car.
I hope so.
Here are the 15 numbered squares. Now, the clock shows 45 seconds, but you had 5 bonus car seconds, which you picked up in that round, so you're working with a full 50. That's almost a full deck. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No match.
4, 5,
Nope.
7, 8,
No again.
10, 5,
No.
11, 1,
Yes.
2, 13,
No.
14, 5,
No.
8, 14.
Right.
3, 4,
No.
5, 7,
No.
9, 13,
Yes.
12, 7,
No.
4, 15,
Yes.
2, 12,
Yes.
3, 10,
No.
3, 6,
No.
3, 5,
No.
5, 7.
3-7. You did everything but surround that CRX.
I know.
But that's okay.
I
You've got
know.
$8,785. And if you get back to the winner's circle, you'll have 55 seconds. Break time for us, team.
Some of today's participants may receive a Princess House Products gift certificate for beautiful hand-blown and lead crystal, elegant giftware, cookware, and decorative accessories furnished by Princess House. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Let's wrap up the week together tomorrow. So long.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.